Hello, today we're going to talk about a pretty funny article. We're going to read Constipated Florida Lizard Breaks Record with Gargantuan Poop. So here's going to be a picture of the cute little lizard with a huge belly. Turns out that's not fat. Image one, nearly all of this northern curly-tailed lizard's digestion was halted by an impassable fecal mass. Photo by Natalie Clounch. By the Smithsonian.com, adapted by New Zealand staff. Natalie Clounch is a scientist. She studies reptiles at the University of Florida. Clounch and her team of researchers found a very round lizard. It was near a pizza shop in a beach in Florida. The lizard belongs to a group called the Northern Curly-tailed Lizard. When Clounch found the lizard, it was swollen like a golf ball. She noticed that the lizard was a female. Clounch first thought that the reptile might be pregnant, but as soon as she began to poke around the animal's belly, she didn't find any sign of eggs. Instead, it just felt like it was full of silly putty, Clounch said. So when she didn't find eggs, she and her team scanned the lizard's body with a CT scanner. This machine gave the team a look at the lizard's insides. They soon realized that the lizard was full of poop. 22 grams of it. Ah! It's so gross. A medical scan of the lizard with a 22-gram mass of digested food in its gut. Photo by Edward Stanley of Florida Museum. The poop made up 80% of the lizard's weight. That's as if a 45-kilogram, 100-pound person pooped a 36-kilogram, 80 pounds, and now holds the record for the largest poop ever found inside a living animal. Clounch's team reported the find in a scientific journal called Herpetological Review in May of 2020. A bowel movement is the movement of food through the digestive tract. Sometimes bowel movements are irregular. When this happens, an animal can get constipated and have a hard time pooping. Poop crowded out other organs. In this case, the lizards couldn't poop at all. The huge poop was stuck in the animal's gut. The poop was so big that there was very little room for its other organs. There was only a few tiny spaces left for its heart, lungs, and liver. The lizard must have been very uncomfortable. Researchers think that the lizard ate trash from the pizza shop where it was found. It ate grease mixed with sand. It also ate bugs and other lizards. The northern curly-tailed lizard will eat just about anything and everything. But eating everything can cause problems. The lizard aren't picky enough to avoid food that can clog their gut and make them sick. The lizard's gut was blocked by the poop it couldn't pass. It appeared to be starving. The researchers euthanized it. That means they used medicine to kill the lizard with little pain. After the lizard died, the researchers took better measurements of the poop inside it. This creature is no longer with us and may not hold the record forever, but the record will be tough to beat, according to Clounch. We are unaware of any records from wild or captive animals that approach our findings, she says. We hope for the sake of the individual animals that there may not be any out there. Hopefully you thought this was a pretty funny article. I did.